So we're at the Broadway roundabout, and this is a roundabout that many people tend to fear when they're learning to drive in this area. So we've got a little challenge. We're going to turn right at the first roundabout, and then on the second roundabout we're going to take the third exit, and then on the third roundabout we're going to take the second exit. So that looks something like this. So at the first roundabout we're going right. Approaching the second roundabout now, which we're going to take the third exit at. That's one. This is two. And we're coming off the third one, back on the zebra crossing. And then on the third roundabout, we're going ahead, second exit. And that looks a bit like that. Let me know how you get on with that.